What's going on, guys? Welcome to another Dutch auction. First off the line, 2022 Panini Immaculate NFL Trading Card Box. We're starting at $1,800, going down to $750. This definitely will not get down to that bottom out price. I honestly think probably the high end of where online retailers are at, like 1,400, 1,300, I think it's still going to be tough. Even as high as like 1,500, I could see it selling out. I hope it doesn't. On the low end, you could have picked these up for $10.50 on eBay, the regular hobby boxes. Down to $17.56 and 25 cents. Let's see how far this is going down. So it goes down every 5 minutes. The price, whatever price you buy it at, is what you get it at. $43.75. That's not too bad of a jump for a box like this. It's about $50, around $50. Let's check the cards out. Of course, nice looking cards. 6 cards per pack, 1 pack per box. Look for 1 base emerald parallel number to 23, 1 rookie patch auto number to 18, 1 immaculate rookie patch, and 3 other autos or mem per box. See where these other prices are, see if they've adjusted prices at all. But just how these Dutch auctions have been going lately, they've been selling out above the pre-order price. So that's something to think about as well. And of course, if they do drop below the pre-order prices, how far will Panini let that happen? Well, we got one here for $12.79, $13.40, $13.50. So anywhere when we start to get closer to those prices, I think it could definitely sell out at. It's gonna be hard to get to that bottom out price. If it does, a full send, right? It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. Doesn't even get down to $13.40. I just think it's gonna be tough. It's gonna be tough. I bet those already sold. Okay. Let's see, hobby box. I need to make this say hobby box. Nothing sold. I want to say a couple sold for like around 1,300. Of course, I can't find them. So if I go this way. Here we go, 1050. See, this is the price. This seems a little bit more reasonable right here. This is what. But I just don't think that it will get down there where if pre-orders are at like 12s at 1,300, 1,350, I think it's going to be tough. It's super tough. Let's see if we got any others. Go back here. Always refresh the page when you leave it. Their timer will stop. $17.12.50 just changed. Let's see, you can get 6 boxes per transaction, 6 boxes per case, so you can buy up to a case per order. So if you're going big with these, just buy 6 at a time. You'll be able to. We got Dutch auction tomorrow. We got a big week next week with Prizm first off the line. We're not seeing delays. That's crazy with last year pushing back. But with it on, well, they did push back Donruss Elite to this week. So I guess they could. It's not set in stone, but we got first off the line Prizm NFL, and we got first off the line Honors. So we got some good stuff coming up. Some good stuff. Save your money up for Prizm. This is what everyone's gonna want right here. Right here, $2,000 down to $500. Pre-orders around $750. If you were buying cases, you could have got them under $7 on eBay the last couple of weeks. Like $675, $680. But will this break 1,000? Last year it was at $1,475. It sold out at. There was a lot of issues with on the technical side on Panini, so I think that let more people buy at a lower level because people couldn't check out. They couldn't get to past the buy it now button. But yeah, these cards are cool. I think I'd rather go for these than what we're looking at today. But if the price gets low enough, sometimes you just have to. Sometimes you have to buy some stuff. But we will see. We're at $17.12.50 going down $43.75. And this first off the line 2022 Panini Immaculate hobby box. What's going on? Yeah, pre-orders are down to 1,050 on eBay. I just don't think it gets that low. Like, I wouldn't be surprised if this sells out at 1,500, just with how pre-orders have been selling out above, or how first off the lines have been selling out above pre-orders. I think the bigger risk is if it does fall below the big online retailers, where they're between like what 12 and like 1,400, anywhere in there. If it gets any lower, I think we'd be more concerned if it gets pulled or not. Of course, yeah. If it did get down to that 1,050, I would say yeah, we have to buy some. Yeah, 1,450, I wouldn't be surprised. Like in that area, just with where the last couple football first off the lines have been selling out. They've been selling out right above the high level of pre-orders or pulled or whatever you think is happening. Illusions did that. Mosaic, Zenith. What else? What just dropped? Phoenix, same thing. Like they're just above. So, is there a little bit of opportunity to flip? Or even at 1,450, I think there is. I just think that there's some risk there. You'd be hoping that the online retailers, if they do sell out at 14 or 15, they're going to sell these for 18 to 2,000, and then just waiting for that right buyer. Yeah. Lately, we some of these first off the lines have been selling out a little too quick for my liking. I guess we are saving money on the plus side, so that is something. On the positive side, we can say we didn't spend any money. We're at 16.68 and 75 cents, and then of course we got to factor in any errors to the sites or the high volume alerts that we get. That can kind of help out to see are people going to the checkout page? Are they interested in this product? Like last 2 Mondays, those collegiate basketball boxes, there was like no interest in those until it got super low. But this here, I think it's going to be a little bit of a different story. Going down $43.75, so I think we will get there quick. But yeah, we want it to get low. Or we want everyone to spend all their money on this, so next week we can get Prizm for $500, which that will not happen. Yeah, right. Save money for Prizm. Oh yeah, these would be great to grab one of these today at the right price. I don't know if there's a checklist on these. Let me see. Let me pull. Is there a checklist on these yet? It's always scary with no checklist. Like, I am glad Panini is getting stuff out on time. Now their next thing is to get the checklist out on time, so we can have a better. We could be confident in our buying if we want to buy this product or not. It's always good to know if, especially with Purdy, is he in the set? Is he not? I think that can, depending on the box, that like on a smaller box that could be $50 to $100 extra. On a big box like this, what could that be, like $250, maybe a little bit more, that you could add with them in the box or with them out of the box. It's anywhere between like 10 to 20%, I would think. 18, what's the difference? Or 5 autos or 5 Ls? You get the Emerald Rookie Patch number to 18 and the base Emerald Parallel to 23. That'd be the difference. Yeah, the no checklist is kind of bumming me out. But I think Panini knows what they are doing. Because they probably know the checklist 6 months ago, a year ago. So why not just tell us? 1668. minute left. Alright, under a minute, we're going to go down to $43.75. Of course, with these Dutch auctions, you want to be logged in. Make sure your payment information is ready to go. Do a couple practices getting into the cart, adding it, deleting it, just so you know. All right, 1625. 100, right? If I honestly think, because the first thing that I check is, I go Control F, and then I type in Purdy or Brock Purdy for football to see if he's in the set. For baseball, I go, for 2022, I go straight to Julio Rodriguez. I want to see how many cards are in it, how many autos are in it. Does it make sense? And then if Purdy's not in the set, then I'm like, do I really want to go for it? Do I not want to go for it? But yeah, that's exactly right. We're at 1625. Yeah, we have a lot of releases coming up. $1,600, James. Yeah, I'm thinking probably in that 1,500. Even at 1,600, with it at the high end, like 14, 1350. Like 1,600 isn't that far off when we're talking about $43.75 a level change. Right. Paradise. Thank you. No Purdy in this? No. No. That's not good. How's it going today, Paradise Mark? We want Purdy. We want Purdy. What's good? What's good? Trying to figure out what makes sense on this box. Okay, cool. Yeah, it's always a bummer when there's no Purdy, and that's probably the reason why we're not seeing a checklist today until afterwards. So, or maybe after next week when the regular hobby boxes drop. Is Purdy out for 2023? Dang. So we got 2 minutes left. Yeah, with no Purdy in the set, it's tough. It's tough. And of course, it all depends what you're trying to do with it. Are you trying to rip it, flip it? Are you trying to break it? Are you trying to hold it? Those all different price points. He's a machine. Well, they have Trey Lance. They got Purdy. What is Jimmy gonna do? Yeah, Wax seems to be doing pretty well, especially like these first off the line boxes. You can find some really good like value in these if you get them at the right prices. Either to flip it, to break it. So this is good with how retail's going. I'm glad hobby and then first off the line is doing okay. Wouldn't that be crazy? Brady to the 49ers. He comes out of retirement. All right, we got 10 seconds for going down another level. I'm going to check to see if it's hard to check out on this one. So we're at 1581. See if we're getting any issues yet. Yeah, that's another thing. He is from the Bay Area, so I would be okay with it. So we're at 1581 and 25 cents. I'm getting right in right now. Dang. That school is doing something right. No issue getting in at 1581. Still looking at 1700 out the door. We got first off the line Prizm next week, but Donruss Elite tomorrow. I'm hoping that gets in the 200s with it. Pre-orders at three-ish. Maybe you can get it for $275. And we are in what? Just going in about 30 minutes. Panini, look at the first off the line, what's coming up. So no issue at this price. So tomorrow is Donruss Elite 500 to 225. Pre-orders at 3. In 2 autos, 2 first off the line exclusives, 14 inserts, parallels, and 2 base rookies per box on average. They just should do Donruss paper instead of Donruss Elite first off the line. I think that would be better. I just think no autos, man. That's rough. Oh, that is rough. I've been noticing on the top Sapphire boxes where one box will have like no parallels and then the next box will have 4. Like the other day I opened one where I got 4 parallels. I was like, man, that's awesome. And the next box only had 1. And then the next box, that's the worst when they are forgetting things in there. We got 2 minutes left. I haven't looked at the flawless basketball checklist. Here, let me pull that up. Let's see. We got a minute left. Man, we are getting down there. We are getting down there quick. This could sell out quick. Right. Let everyone spend money today, and then that means next week, next week we will be able to buy a bunch of Prizm at at a good price. Let me see if I can check out or not. Yeah, I would rather go for it. I mean, if it does get to the right price, grab some of these. But I like. I want some Prizm. I want some Prizm. Let's see. We are at 25 seconds. Refresh this page. All right, 1581. We're gonna go down another $43. Still on the high side of 1500. All right, let's see if we got any issues. Yeah, I'm getting right in at 1537 and 50 cents. No issue. But with it going down so quickly, I honestly think that we could see high volume any time here. I think probably more people are watching this than on Monday. 1250 sounds good. 1250. I like it at a little lower, but man, 1250. I even think it might be hard to get to 1250, but if it did, it would be a good deal. Like I'm more afraid of if Panini pulls this than actually selling out if it gets too far below those prices. 1,000, I like 1,000 too. Oh, right. 1450. Because that's the other thing that we have to worry about. Does Panini pull this stuff? Are they pulling it? Because if it does get lower than pre-orders, then everyone has to adjust them accordingly, right? They should just have a free-for-all where no bottom-out price. Yeah, lately it's been selling out just a little bit higher than pre-order, especially for football prices. And on some of these, like Phoenix, I didn't expect it. Illusions sold out, I thought, a lot higher. Illusions didn't even get to in the 300s. Where was it? 410? Alright, about 2 minutes left. We're just 30 minutes in. $13.10 wouldn't be too bad. Still looking at what, about 14 something with tax, because that's like right in the middle of a pre-sales. I don't think pull those pre-sales up again. Not coming up there. 1050 is the lowest, but on the low end, let me see here. This. Let's see, it's going down soon, right? All right, we got a minute left. I'll wait to do that to see if we get any high volume alerts on this next one. So we are getting into the 1400s with a drop in $43.75. We're only 30 minutes in. All right, so do we see high volume here in the next couple levels? High volumes, it just pops up. Thing that says, high volume. It just means more people are trying to click through that buy it now button. So just more traffic bogging down the site. Yeah, the regular, I think you can get it as cheap as, what, $10.50 right now? Alright, let's see. Do we got any issues checking out? I'm getting right in. $14.93 and 75 cents. No issue there. Like, we are going to be on those pre-order prices. Very soon. So $16.18 with tax. And then if we look at low end will be $10.50 on eBay. As I think I have it pulled up here. Did I have it pulled up? Let's see. It's $13.99. $13.50. $11.50. I did just have one. Let's see here. There we go. $10.60 here. And then if we look, $12.79. $13.40. So anywhere between that $12.50 and like $14.00 is kind of where most retailers, like the big online retailers, have it. We got 3 minutes left. We are in what? We're going to be 40 minutes in. Could this sell out before the first hour? Will it get to the second hour? Like, we're all kind of like in the same spot where we're thinking. These are the cards right here. Of course they're nice. They better be nice. If you're spending $1,400. I mean, just think about last year, $14.75. This is where Prizm was last year, where it sold out right here for 2021 Prizm, first off the line. And then they were selling between $2,000 and $2,500 on the secondary market all day. Big change in the price points, which I think is good. But even at lower price points, there's still money to be made. All right, we're going down. Let me refresh this. Even what you're only getting. This is a one pack. Go big or go home packs. You're getting 6 cards per pack. You're getting the first off the line Emerald Parallel to 23 and that rookie patch auto to 18. more bang for your buck probably for the Prizm next week if you are looking, more packs. Purdy should be in Prizm. And with those pre-orders at 750, I know next week a lot of people are going to be FOMOing it, and they're going to be thinking about the last couple of years of Prizm. So I'm scared once it gets to 1,000 that Prizm could sell out. I hope it does go down lower, closer to that 750. But I think the best strategy there is, whatever you're trying to go for would be buy some at this level. Okay, next 5 minutes, this level, and just average your cost out every level. So the worst case scenario, at least you get some at one level, and then if it does sell out, you're not going home empty-handed. Or you can risk it. We're at 1450. Let's see if there's any issues. Oh, I'm getting high volume for the first time, but now I'm getting right back in. So 1450. We're getting real close to like the high end of pre-orders. So I did get high volume once, but you just spam through it. You just keep clicking through it. It's not always an indication. Probably just more people are watching the site now as it's getting closer to the pre-order prices. And like I was saying earlier, it's not that it's going to sell out, because I think a lot of us think that it should get a lot lower, but where the pre-order prices are set, does it get pulled? Does it not get pulled? I mean, if it did get down to 750, which it won't, then just think about all the pre-order prices would have to adjust. You're talking a lot of money there, even if it got down to $1,000 when 2,300. Yeah, it's crazy how prices came down, which I think it's for the better. And there's still, just because prices are coming down, it doesn't mean there's still money to be made. There's still value in this stuff. Even like Paradise Mark was saying, wax is hot. There is opportunity there, even in hobby boxes. Purdy is not in this. There's no checklist. But what we're hearing is that he's not in it. Right. If Purdy's not in it, that's a lot of people. That's a make it or break it there. So try. And some people may, go into it thinking Purdy's in it, and then, I mean, it's not saying that you're gonna hit him, but just having that opportunity does add value to the boxes, as we've seen on all the other products that he's in. Especially once he did start doing well, those boxes, they just jumped in price. All right, we got 2 minutes left. Yeah, it seems like the bigger sets where, like, he's in. I mean, even if there's a chance that, like Illusion's a chance of an auto, he's not in the base, just something in there saying, hey, I can get a Purdy. Of course, you want more opportunities if possible. Alright, we got a minute left, and we're going to be getting into... We're still going to be on the high side of of 1,400, but we're coming. All right, we got a minute left. Let's see if we get high volume again. This is for first off the line 2022 Panini Immaculate NFL football trading card hobby box. Alright, let's see if we have any issues checking out here. Alright, 10 seconds left. I'm getting high volume here. High volume! Is this going to be a quick short first off the line? At 1406, this is like on the high end. Come on, come on. I'm still getting high volume. It's not letting me. Is it going to sell out right here? All right, I'm getting in now. I'm getting in now. So he's not in Playbook or Panini 1. He should be okay. Yeah, we want him in Prizm, which that's a bigger set. They should just let us know those checklists. You know they have them. So that time I got high volume a lot going in there, right? Or trying to get into the cart. I'm getting high volume again. Let's see here, high volume. Oh, I got in. So this next round, I'm thinking, I don't know. He definitely could sell out in the next couple rounds. So we're at 1406 and 25 cents. 45 minutes in. I'm not sure if any of you guys are getting high volume, but I am. And of course, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you haven't yet. It's supposed to help us out. If not, we'll be here tomorrow and next week as well, doing these first off the line Dutch auctions. Trying to find out those. We want to hit the bottom, right? We want to hit the bottom. Is it worth 250 or 200? Like, I've been watching his autos, and I mean, maybe I don't know. Like, you can get both those guys' autos for pretty cheap. Refresh this page, see if it really could go. All day, Kenneth Walker. Beast Mode 2.0. I'm telling you, Seahawks next year. Seahawks? Just have to see what they are going to do with all their draft picks. Are they going to keep Geno? Are they going to sign him? Yeah, it is expensive. This is definitely an expensive box, especially for one pack. Go big or go home. Yeah, it's yeah. I would rather get multiple boxes, and of course, it all depends on what you're trying to do with it. Are you trying to rip it, flip it, break it, hold it? Oh, nice. Yeah. Walker. If you can stay healthy and he just slams it through the hole, not dance in the backfield, he's gonna be okay. Alright, we got under a minute left. Let's see if we're gonna have any issues. Good luck if you guys are trying to buy this. We're all saving money for Prizm next week. It's so cool to see first off the line on their website. Don't delay it, Panini, if you're watching. We want some first off the line Prizm. Okay, that's what we want. No delays. Last year was just too crazy with all the delays. So we're at 1406.25. We're going to be getting into 1300s here. Yeah, it's such a big difference between what's on eBay at 1050 and then, you know, looking at like 14. High volume. All right, I'm getting in now. I'm getting in. So anywhere, if you are trying to buy boxes, like anywhere in these pre-order prices, it really could sell out or be pulled, whatever you think happens. Yeah, like on the defensive side, like there were some really good rookies, but that's just stuff doesn't sell. Like Hutchinson, man, he's the man. Like just balling. But those autos are, you can find autos all day of those guys on the defensive side for nada. So we're at 1362. Yeah. Hutch, Sauce, Walker. Those guys can play, but you can probably find a nice RPA low numbered for nothing. Next level. Okay. Good luck. Remember to be logged in. Remember to have your credit card saved. And be ready to click through. The other way to do it, you can have it like saved in your cart. You can do it that way, and when you're ready, it should reset it. I usually go through the buy it now just to make sure that there's not any mess up. But usually, if you do have something in there, it should reset the price if you are clicking through. We got 3 minutes. When you are clicking through, if it does change price levels. Holding for 1200. Yeah, 1200 wouldn't be a bad price, because once it sells out, you know the online retailers are gonna add $300 to $500 for first off the line. So depending on what you're trying to do with it, there is some value there at 12. Minutes left till this next round. Let's see. We were getting up on the hour. Will it sell out before the hour? We got, what, 2 level changes? Anything around like 13 to 12. So that's ready. All right, we got a minute. This is first off the line, 2022 Panini Immaculate NFL Trading Card Hobby Box. Low end pre-orders are at 1050. High end, we're right at like the high end of where pre-orders have been selling for. All right, 45 seconds, just refresh it. Panini should show the stock. Wouldn't that be cool if we could see the stock of how much stock was left or how much we are starting with, so we don't have to do math? All right, 30 seconds. Good luck if you are trying to buy. Spam it. Spam it. If you are getting that high volume. All right, good luck, good luck. Ooh, I got right in. 13, 18, and 75 cents. Let's see if we are getting down there. We're getting down there. Are we having any issues now? I'm getting in. 13, 8. All right, now I'm getting high volume. High volume. The trick is to click right before it turns, so it gives some time to load. Are you getting high volume too? 13, 8. Alright, I'm getting in now. I'm getting in now. Let me just go. 13, 18, and 75. Did it sell out? Did it sell out? It's still there? Is it still there? I'm still seeing it. I'm still seeing it. This next one is going to be, I think this next round, once it gets under 1300, I think right here, or this is just a really tough box, but let's keep it going down. We're at 13, 18, and 75 cents. 4 minutes on the hour. A little bit more action than that collegiate box on Monday. That was a slow auction. Slow. Yes, yes. Yeah, the tax man. You're thinking you're buying at a certain price, and then with these high levels, you're looking at another $100 that you're adding on right off top. You're thinking, oh, I'm getting it for this price. Oh no, wait a second. Add another 100. Add another 100. Does Panini have layaway? Okay, let me put a couple boxes on layaway. That's what they need to do. One more. Let's do it. One more drop. This next one, we're going to be crossing over into the 1200. So this one here, man, I think there's going to be a lot of high volume. We've already been seeing a lot of high volume. It really could sell out at any time. We're getting on the low end of the online retailer pre-order prices. Now we're getting into, what the eBay prices are. The lowest that I saw was $10.50. I think today you can get a regular hobby box on eBay for $10.60. So you're saying the boxes off Panini are not as good if you got them somewhere else? I always feel pretty good seeing that first off the line sticker, but yeah, that doesn't mean anything. You're like, man, I'm gonna hit something great in here. It's gonna be a big card. That doesn't always happen. I mean, you would think first off the line stuff, if they were gonna juice stuff, they would want to juice the first off the line boxes. Ooh, yeah, Honors is coming up too. We got a minute left. Get ready. Start clicking those buttons. totally different. Yeah, it's really hard to say. You know, I think some people think this the stuff that's comes out first is juiced. Same thing in retail. There's that theory that the first week it's supposed to be juiced to get people enticed. I don't know if that's 100% true. It's okay. Is it some of these conspiracy theories I think are true. Like, do products get pulled on some of these Dutch auctions? I think maybe close to pre-orders. I don't know. All right, 4 seconds. Good luck. Good luck. Ooh, I'm getting high volume. We're at 1275. I think it could go. It could go. Can you get in? Come on. All right, I'm getting in. I'm getting in. A lot of high volume on this one. It's still there. It's still there. It's getting down to that point where you got to make decisions. Do you buy a box or not? Do you buy a case? A case is 6. You can buy 6 at a time. Because now we are getting to that. Yeah, with taxes, tax gets you. We're at 1275. We are 1 hour in. So that's just still. We're getting down there. We're getting down there. It's good. We're having patience. We're having patience. I'm getting high volume again. If I'm just trying mid. Uh-oh, did it sell out? No, it's still there. It gave me a different way. It's saying it's not there. Is it not there? I think it's gone. Is it gone? At 1275. If you did buy, congrats. Congrats. Not bad it's not bad at 12. It's just an expensive box. Bottom line, it's expensive, but it's a high-end product. But you got it under $200, maybe $100 from where the online retailers are. Of course, those are always a little bit higher. Kind of right in the middle. But at 13, 17, that's not a bad price with where the market's at for pre-orders. We knew that it wasn't going to get down to the eBay prices of $10.50, $1,100. So $12.75 it sells out at. Just to show you, we're going live for Donruss Elite NBA trading card hobby box. This is tomorrow. These are a little bit cheaper. 100. Congrats. 500 down to 225 tomorrow. Pre-orders for this is around 300, 325. Actually, like the online retailers are doing better last time I checked than eBay prices for these. So if we can get these in the 200s, I'm thinking about it. Above 300, I don't know. I don't know about that. I would want to get them under what pre-orders are going for. And then we got the big boy that everyone wants to. Man, isn't it cool that? I shouldn't say it because they could delay it, but this is dropping. They're not going to delay it. I love the design on these. These are. Man, I am super stoked for Prizm. Ooh, that's nice. Oh, I like these. I like those. What are those, magnets? This is a new short print right here, I believe. This is next week. This is on March 7th, same time, same place. Starting at $2,000, going down to $500. Pre-orders around $750 for this. So compared to last year, first off the line, sold out at $1,475. I don't think it's gonna get down to $500. I think it's gonna be hard to get to $750. I hope it does. I hope it breaks that 1,000 mark. We just got to hold, right? We got to hold. Don't FOMO on this. Get 12 cards per pack, 12 packs per box, 2 autos, including 1 shimmer auto to 35 or less, 10 numbered Prizm, including 2 shimmer Prizms numbered 35 to less, 3 base, 1 rookie Prizm, 24 rookies, and 7 inserts or parallels per box. So that's next week, and then we got, when is honors? Is that next week too? Yeah, on the 10th. This is Friday. Yeah, this is gonna be fun. 1,500 to 400. See, yeah, 750, 800. I love that price. Like, I would be okay with that price, 100% on that price. Yeah, if we can get there, I will be comfortable, buying boxes there. No one else. Don't FOMO. Don't FOMO on Prizm. I know people are going to want to. And this is on the 10th. We're looking at 4 cards per pack, 1 pack per box. You get one-on-one recollection auto, 1 additional auto numbered to 15 or less, 1 purple base parallel numbered to 12, and 1 base or parallel per box. Yeah, this here. I want to grab some of these too. So same time, same place tomorrow for Donruss Elite basketball. Today it sold out. $12.75 for first off the line 2022 Panini Immaculate NFL trading card box. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Always the best, right? Yeah, those are cool. Those are super cool. Any kind of those like repacks or where you can get an auto, I think those are fun. Those are fun. We are Matrix Sports Cards. Tomorrow, same time, same place. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Check our links down below. And I will talk to you guys later. Thanks for hanging out. And we'll do it same time, same place. Congrats on who hit. We got it down to a pretty good price. Around $12.50, $12.75, right? On the low end of the pre-order. So I will talk to you guys later.